Kenzea's Toys Review, and today I'm going to be unboxing my new car, Max Schnell! There's a box here. I do have another one of this.
Got the ice racer, right?
Yeah.
Get the ice racer.
Okay. Which one looks cooler?
I would think it would be the ice racer.
I think it would be the normal. Let's race them together.
Who wins?
The normal match now. Huh. Let's put you back. Hiding here. Hide him. There. Let's go test him. Which we do? Ooh.
You could try the chair.
So here he is. He doesn't have any mirrors.
Yeah, the wind's gonna focus on
Much shadow. It's quite funny that we have two, isn't it, guys? Guys, it's quite funny that we have two of them, isn't it, guys? Because it's quite funny that it has.
Whoa, the normal one fell off.
It's quite funny that we have two. The reason we have two is because I had the ice racer one and I wanted the normal one, and now I have it. That's mine. Which one do you think is the fastest?
The normal one, because it has no ice on it, so that it won't get frozen like this.
So then it won't get slippery.
Yeah.
But this one will be slippery.
So then it can go just wait, so then it can just go like, but it can go really good around the corners and just tackle the other cars.
Shall we try it on? What shall we do?
Try launch it. Let me try launch it. Okay, launch it to the octopods over there.
I'm gonna do the ice racer one.
Ice racer's going first. Whoa, whoa, whoa!
That was awesome. And he landed on his wheel. Max,
He rebounded. together. Let's say bye-bye to the kids.
Lewis Hamilton. Whoa. Accident.
Whoa. Now let's say bye-bye to the kids, Kenzie.
Bye. If you want more Kenzea toys review, bye.